Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update on Discord. How to set up the Family Center on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Discord application. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. That's the user settings. Click on it to access the settings panel. Now, from the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Family Center. Go ahead and click on it. In the Family Center section, you'll see an option to enable the Family Center tab. Just toggle that on. This feature lets you keep tabs on your family's activities within Discord, which is super useful for providing a safe and fun environment. Next, click on View Family Center. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of the Family Center features and how they work. Now it's time to get started. Click on the Get Started button. This will initiate the setup process. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. Discord will walk you through everything you need to do, from setting up family permissions to inviting family members into your circle. Make sure to customize the settings according to your preferences, and there you have it. Setting up the Family Center on Discord is a straightforward process that will help ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for you and your loved ones. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates and tips. See you in the next video.